Okay. They're in their play area. It's snowing, but they're out playing in it. Yeah, there's Barney and Dora. Debbie and Molly. There's the mommy. It's Marla. Who's back here? Who got back here? What are you doing back there, Barney? Come on. Come on. You get yourself trapped. Oh, that's Marley. No, that's Marla. Stella. Trying to get their mommy on the box. Barney. Marla, what are you eating? Gonna tear up your top, huh? Marla. Barney. Cold. It's cold. You all ready to go in? Are you all ready to go in? Huh? What do you think, Georgie? And Toby? Georgie and Toby. Oh, Georgie, not gonna let him get you, are you?